Ayun, magandang araw po. Welcome po ulit sa ating YouTube channel, kung saan ang focus po ng ating content ay about Filipino jobs and hobbies abroad. Ako po pala, student visa rin po ang pasok ko sa UK. Lagi ko po sinasabi sa mga previous videos po natin na top choice ang mga Filipino workers dito sa UK, siguro dahil high caliber ang ating work ethics. Alamin po natin yung common struggle ng ating mga job applicants ng paghanap ng kanilang next employer dito sa UK. Online man yan, direct hire or via a recruitment company. Disclaimer lang po, ang pwede lang namin na i-share na information ay yung mga available sa public domain, just to adhere with the strict data privacy law dito sa UK at maging sa Pilipinas. Pero makikita na po natin yung gist. Paano ba nagre-response ang mga UK employers kapag tinawagan natin sila to inquire about any job vacancies dito sa UK. So, umpisahan na natin. Itong una nating tatawagan, bale, prior to doing this video to, nag-email na po kami sa kanila. So, ipa-follow up natin. Sinabi natin doon sa email na yon na meron tayong access sa mga Filipino workers na maybe suitable doon sa kanilang organization, yung ating skills, experience, and qualification. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang kanilang response doon sa email natin.
Sorry, we are unable to complete your call at this time. Please try again later.
Thank you for calling and
Oh, hi. Good afternoon. I am just wondering if I can be transferred to HR or recruitment, please.
Yeah, I'll just check if she's available now. May I ask who's on the line, please?
This is Vincent. We sent an email a couple of days ago.
No problem. And what might it be in relation to, Vincent?
So this is just, well, actually, it's a general inquiry. Might be suitable for your recruitment department.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
I'll transfer you off now.
Thank you.
For the perfect casual dining venue, look no further. Thank you so much for calling. Lisa's just at her desk at the moment. Now, what I can do is I can give you her email address if you'd like to send her an email.
Yeah, sure. No problem. Because we... what is it again? Sorry. All right. Thank you so much. What's your name,
No
please?
problem.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye now.
Minsan talaga medyo mahirap mahanap yung HR personnel. Pero let's see the other one. Itong kumpanya naman na to ay nasa Ireland. Meron isa doong chef na nag-recommend sa amin to discuss about any potential partnership in terms of recruiting.
Please hold and we will answer your call shortly.
So nag-send na din kami ng email sa company na ito. So titingnan lang natin kung na-receive yung email or naibigay na ba ito sa dedicated person. Ganito talaga yung mga initial struggle sa kapag ka maghahanap ka ng maghahanap.
How can I help you?
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Vincent. I be transferred to your HR department or recruitment, please?
We don't have one at the moment. Can anyone else help you?
Right. Okay. I just sent an email. We have been recommended by Filipino communities. Just so I'm just checking if somebody has read it or how do we know if there are vacancies that we can, probably work into.
We have no vacancies at the moment. If we are hiring, it will be on our website
It's
or on
on
our
the web.
Facebook page.
Okie dokie. No problem. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Talaga sasabihin nila directly na we don't have vacancy. So just visit the website some other time o kaya punta kayo kung saan nyo nakita yung kanilang job advert kasi maybe sila ay working in partnership na sa mga recruitment agencies. So minsan nilalagay nila ito doon sa minsan sa LinkedIn, minsan sa LinkedIn, minsan sa Indeed o kaya ay doon sa kanilang mga partner agency. So, minsan sasabihin talaga nila sa'yo kapag tinawagan mo sila directly na we don't have vacancy. So, probably yun yung instruction o kaya depende. Pero, nakita namin to somewhere online na meron silang vacancy siguro. So, probably it has to be via their partner recruitment company. So this next company is a hotel group based in Ireland. Let's see.
Yeah, of course. I'll transfer you now.
Thank you. I just want to know if you have current vacancies that we can work on with.
For candidates coming from the Philippines, is it?
Well, we have local and candidates from the Philippines, both. We are based in mainland UK.
Kind of, I guess, how we operate.
Okay.
We have a PSL, so preferred supplier list.
Right. Okay.
So that's kind of when we work with agencies,
Sure.
that's traditionally where we go. I guess firstly we try and do as much of our recruitment in house, like most companies.
Right. Okay.
Would do, and then from time to time when roles come through or we have difficult to fill roles or an agency reaches that's on the PSL reaches out directly with a strong CV, I would share that then afterwards. So it's not so much that just anybody can work with us. That's not kind of how we approach things. But if you want to send me through your terms and your terms of business and stuff like that, I can have a look through them. But
we actually sent an introductory email on
agencies that we would work directly with for our finance roles. So if the best starting point is if you send me through your terms and conditions. I will say it's probably going to take a while to get things moving, but if you want to send them through, that's absolutely fine. I'll have a look through them. So my name, my email address is.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
No
We'll take our chance. We'll send you an email today, and thank you so much for your time.
No problem at all. Take care. Have a nice day.
Bye. So ito pala, so yun pa yung isa, yung ibang katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yung ibang mga companies ay meron silang preferred list of agencies. Katulad ng ibang mga NHS, meron silang mga requirements for us, like for example, yung mga recruitment agencies. 'Di ba sa Pilipinas, merong mga POA licensed companies in Philippines. Sometimes sila yung ina-approach ng mga companies. Pero merong tinatawag na foreign placement agencies. Ito yung intermediary between the POA licensed company at saka yung mga kumpanya na lokal doon sa bansa. Halimbawa ay dito sa UK. Ang mga organization katulad ng NHS or yung mga malalaking hotel group, normally ino-organize na nila yung kanilang ginagawa nilang systematic yung kanilang recruitment process. Meron silang tinatawag na preferred list of agency or preferred list, kung ano man itong list na ito. Hinihinga na kayo ng accreditation or yung inyong mga methods in terms of business, katulad ng sinabi kanina nung nakausap natin dito sa hotel group na to. So basically, ang isang pwedeng gawin ay i-check natin online kung sino yung kanilang preferred list ng agencies, and most of the time sila yung merong listahan ng mga vacancies. Okay? Next. Kalimitan po yung mga tinatawagan natin ng mga companies ay may mga recommendations na mula sa either staff doon or kakilala or kamag-anak. So kung meron po kayo na mga kamag-anak dito sa UK at gusto po ninyong i-approach natin yung kanilang mga employers if they have vacancies, pwede po ninyong i-comment or i-direct message nyo lang po kami. Pero titingnan natin kung paano nga ba yung method. Madaling sabihin na they need, pero marami pang i-check eh. So, once na i-entertain tayo or kayo individually, marami pa itong pagdadaanan. So, that's how the recruitment process works. Pero subukan nating tawagan.
Hello. Okay.
Shall
I put you through to my colleague?
Oh, yes, please. Any HR department or...
Yeah, let me just put you through.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Yes, we sent an email a couple of weeks ago, I think.
For our permanent recruitment at the moment.
All right. Okay. Understandable. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
So ito na po muna yung turnout ng mga referrals and recommendations na tinawagan natin ngayon. So we will send a couple of emails para po i-follow up yung nagsabi na okay, send us an email. Yung mga emails po is very important din kasi yung mga email po, ito po yung magko-confirm na nag-usap kayo, tapos ito yung susunod na process. Some of them, katulad nitong pinakahuli nating tawag, they don't entertain yung mga calls from agencies. Baka mas maganda na mag-direct yung candidate or yung applicant. So probably baka ang sinasabi nila is costly. Ang isa pa sa mga feedback na nakukuha namin kapag sinasabi namin na ang candidate o yung inihahanap namin ng trabaho ay manggagaling overseas or sa Philippines, medyo quite adamant sila kasi mas preferred nila halimbawa ay yung local dahil na nandito na. Siguro mas maikli yung process, pero kalimitan yung mga nandito na ay is either working somewhere else na. Pero marami din dito yung mga students and mga graduate visa na nag-a-apply ng trabaho para makaswitch sila sa work permit. Yun, so hanggang dito na lang po muna. Sa mga susunod na araw, magtatawag ulit tayo hanggang sa kumbaga makakarinig tayo ng iba-ibang scenario kung paano yung paraan ng pag-apply directly via an agency, recommendation. So, malalaman po natin yan. So, at least meron din po kayong hint. Hindi man lahat ng information, but at least you have a gist of what's going on between applying, between dito sa stage ng paghahanap ng potential employer hanggang sa ma-recruit na kayo. So, marami pang ibang process pag-apply ng visa, POEA, POLO, pero itatakil natin yung sa mother tongue. So, para sa ngayon, ang ating munang itatakil is yung not a struggle, a challenge of finding your next employer abroad. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye. Hindi daw sila nagre-recruit sa ngayon, wala daw silang vacancy. So sabi niya sa akin, hindi ko masasabing mapapapunta ko dun, but if you can resend your email to me, binigay niya yung email address niya. Pero normally daw, how it works ay meron silang preferred list ng agency at doon napupunta yung kanilang mga vacancies. Hindi ko lang, kung magtanong lang ako may vacancy, sila mag-start ako doon.
Sila yung nangangailangan dati.
Okay. Alright.